$20 to the man that puts a bullet in her first.
Whoa! No one's killing anybody.
Doyle Harrington and Abigail Witt.
That's right. And they're here to kill you.
What? Connie, I thought we were just here to talk or something.
It would seem, Miss Harmon, that you have once again confused business with pleasure. I have no quarrel with you, Mr. Harrington, though my associates may have interest in that sizable bounty on your head.
Connie, tell me what's going on. Did he put a hit on you over some stupid copyright or what?
Copyright? What has that woman been telling you?
Go ahead, Doyle. Shoot him before he kills us both.
Son,
Lonnie Harmon is nothing but a bookkeeper here.
a secretary. I can't imagine what she might hold the copyright to.
I knew it.
You don't have money?
Don't listen to his bullshit, Doyle. He's manipulating.
Oh, she has money. It just comes in the form of the blackmail checks I've been writing. Ms. Harmon has threatened to disclose the details of certain indiscretions we shared, and the man who's legalized killing can tarnish his image with infidelity. So I paid it first, almost feeling like she deserved it. I suppose you know something about that. But then she demanded more and more. It just became too much trouble.
Connie.
Doyle, he wants me dead. You have to kill him.
She lied to you, Doyle.
No, she's the liar, Doyle. She's jealous.
I've been a fool.
Doyle, kill him.
She was classified disreputable, and I didn't believe it. Come on, Abby. Let's go.
No, Doyle, kill him.
I'm sick of my job.
Doyle.
I'm sorry, Abby.
So, what's our next move?
You mean besides trying to survive?